This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Donna Boynton. Gorgeous upgraded 3-bedroom, 3-bath, plus den and 3-car garage home by Taylor Morrison. This expanded Lazio model offers an open floor plan featuring stunning porcelain tile floors, an extended kitchen any chef would love with large island, quartz countertops, gas range, double ovens, wine refrigerator, walk-in pantry and stainless steel appliances. A wall of sliding doors creates an inviting indoor/outdoor living experience. The expanded lanai has approximately 400 additional square feet and feaures a custom summer kitchen, gas fireplace, 24 by 24 porcelain tile floors with waterproof grout. The highlight of the lanai is the custom-built water feature with pond and premium plants. There is an additional bonus room that is perfect as a den/library/office. The generously sized owner's suite includes a double sink vanity, large walk-in shower and custom-designed walk-in closet. The second bedroom features bath ensuite and the third bedroom offers a Murphy bed that converts to the perfect area for an office. A laundry room with an abundance of cabinetry and the 3-car climate-controlled garage with epoxy floors complete this absolutely incredible home. Some of the many extra features include, a 14,000 BTUs air conditioner in the garage, AQUASANA Simply Soft Whole House Descaler, AQUASANA Whole House Water Filter System, Plantation Shutters, premium lighting fixtures and ceiling fans, 4 motorized/remote controlled hurricane FENETEX Kevlar screens that completely enclose the lanai for protection during inclement weather and a double waterfall feature. Cobblestone is a resort-style community featuring an outstanding clubhouse, pool, fitness center, hot tub, fire pit, pickleball and bocce courts, dog park and playground. Just a short bike ride to the Legacy Trail that offers 18.5 miles of safe bike and walking trails. Close to Siesta Key, one of Florida's top-rated beaches and many great shops and restaurants. This incredible home will not disappoint. It is Florida living at its best. For more information, review the details below.